I just had a genius idea. So what I'm gonna do is cut all the holes where the drains need to go, and then instead of fitting up all the pieces from the garage underneath, I'm gonna figure out all of the horizontal dimensions and cut and dry fit the pieces up here, and then I can bring all those pieces. They'll be the right size. They'll be ready to go, and I can put them back together in the garage. So here we got my hole where the sink drain is going to drop, and then I've got my chalk line running 45 degrees from there, and then here I've got my hole for the shower drain, and I use my Brandon square to draw a line that goes down the middle of that hole at a 90-degree angle to the sink drain line, and then I put my fit in here and line up the little center marks with the chalk line, and then do the same for this one. And then I made a little pencil mark at each of the outlets, and so that mark is, you know, exactly where the end of this fitting is going to be. And then the only thing I need to do is add this little dimension to the inside, the inner rim there, and then, you know, I can pretty much figure out all of my pipe lengths and stuff up here without doing this above my head in the garage. I can do it right here on the floor and pretty much just measure my marks on the floor. All right, it's time to call it a day, but this is coming together really good. So really well, my mom would tell me. So you can see how this is working, right? I'm building this whole thing upside down and marking my lines, and it's coming out perfect. So then the idea is to reassemble this whole thing in the garage once I have all the right size pieces. And I still need to drill some more holes in the drywall, and then I can figure out all my heights, how far down from the ceiling everything needs to come in the garage, and then I can cut the vertical pieces that will drop from each of these drains. Anyway, and then we still need to do this 3-inch waistline for the toilet and all of that connection over here. Anyway, so obviously more to do, but I'm getting way farther, way faster than if I was trying to do this all in the air above my head in the garage. So I'm pretty happy with this approach.